Welcome to Summarize Science. Have you ever wondered why robots in labs can do amazing things, but a robot in your home might get confused by a new brand of cereal? That's because many of today's advanced robots struggle when they encounter objects or concepts they weren't specifically trained on. But a new paper presents a system called VLA2, which gives robots a clever workaround: the ability to use the internet to learn on the fly. Think of it like this. Instead of having one giant brain that knows everything, VLA2 is a framework that lets a robot use different tools for different problems. It has modules for processing information, for cognition and memory, and for judgment and execution. When faced with a command involving an unknown object, say a blue-white porcelain bowl, the system first realizes it doesn't know what that is. It then searches the web for images and descriptions of a blue-white porcelain bowl. Using this new information, it generates keywords like blue decorated and white porcelain to help it locate the specific object in its camera view. Once found, it highlights the object with a colored mask, essentially telling the robot's action part, "Hey, focus on this thing right here." The system also tackles the language part of the command, replacing the unknown term with a more familiar one from its vocabulary. This process effectively translates a command about something new into a command about something it already understands how to handle. To prove their system works, the researchers set up a series of challenges in a simulated environment. They created tasks with varying levels of difficulty, from simple color swaps to introducing completely new and culturally specific objects, like a bottle of Mutai liquor. The results were dramatic. On the hardest set of tasks, the VLA2 system achieved a success rate of over 76%. For comparison, other state-of-the-art models struggled, with the next best competitor scoring only 60% and a standard version of the robot's base model scoring just 32%. The researchers even showed how crucial each part of their system was by turning modules off one by one. For example, when they disabled the web search function, the robot's performance on tasks with novel items dropped significantly. When they removed all their new modules, the system's success rate fell to a mere 26%, proving the power of their agentic framework. So, to recap the key points, current robots often fail with unfamiliar objects. The VLA2 framework solves this by using external tools like web search to identify new objects visually and translate commands into a format the robot understands. This instant learning approach was shown to be incredibly effective, drastically boosting the robot's ability to handle new situations. What does this mean for the future? This kind of framework is a huge step toward creating truly general-purpose robots. Imagine a robot that you can bring into your home, and instead of needing complex programming, you can just tell it to put the new blue vase on the mantelpiece, and it can look up what that is and just do it. It's a move away from robots with fixed knowledge towards robots that can continuously learn and adapt to our ever-changing world. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.